sabia que a Terra não é uma esfera perfeita? Na verdade, ela é arredondada e achatada nos polos.
Diante de vocês estão todas as versões oficiais do planeta Terra divulgadas pela NASA até hoje. Se você observar, todas elas mostram uma Terra perfeitamente circular. Não há achatamento nos polos. Outro detalhe importante é a tremenda variação de cor que existe de uma versão para outra. Percebam aqui a diferença de tamanho dos continentes da América do Norte na versão de 2002 e a versão de 2012. Percebam as linhas brancas aqui, de 2013 na imagem. Percebam a diferença de cor nessa imagem aqui de 2007 dos oceanos, com uma coloração turquesa e depois mais escura ao centro, totalmente distinta das outras versões. E nestas outras imagens, que são descritas como obtidas a partir de uma única só imagem de satélite, você também percebe que a Terra é perfeitamente redonda. Onde estão, então, os polos achatados? E para mostrar para vocês como as imagens da NASA são compostas, são criadas, vamos escutar a entrevista de um de seus designers, chamado Robert Simon, que explica como que ele criou esta Terra esférica que é apresentada aqui.
Last week, scientists at NASA released this. The shot is compiled from data from NASA's VIRS instrument, which orbits the Earth about every 100 minutes, taking measurements of light coming off the planet. That can be translated into ribbons of imagery like this, and then into one of these. And this is just the latest in NASA's Earth from Space album. NASA's Rob Simon made this. Simon's job is...
It's primarily taking data and making pictures out of it.
That's what this is, a composite of data sets from several different instruments translated into a picture.
So we actually had to take clouds out.
They stashed the clouds for later, went onto the ocean. That came from an instrument that measures phytoplankton in the sea.
Where it was low, I colored it dark blue because they're low mostly in mid-oceans. And then where it was a little bit higher, it was like a little bit brighter green.
Then add the clouds back in.
There's a small problem with it because there's a very slight gap in between each orbit.
So some of those are painted on.
It is photoshopped, but it's has to be.
Then
there was another layer to sort of simulate the atmosphere.
And then there's this little bright spot.
It's called the specular highlight. So it's the reflection of sunlight off of water.
Those are the pieces, but you can't just slap them all together.
It just didn't look realistic. It looks kind of flat, or the clouds are sort of too see-through. So I just hit Command-Z a lot.
There's artistry to creating the world.
What I imagine it to be. Unfortunately, I'm not an astronaut. I've never been to space. But I've looked at these images over and over again, trying to sort of get the essence of it. It is photoshopped, but it's has to be. It is photoshopped, but it's has to be. It is photoshopped, but it's has to be.